Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Happy weekend to you guys. So guys, today's video I will be using bamboo leaf. Guys. So bamboo leaf is very good for our hair. Is very rich in for hair growth. Like it have a lot of benefit to our hair. So in there you can also see onions, so I'm also going to be using it with onions. This is bamboo and onions hair growth oil. So those two ingredients are so good for hair growth. Bamboo is known for its scalp soothing property, improve blood circulation in the scalp. It also strengthens hair follicles and promoting the growth of a thicker nail. This plant extract is also filled with antioxidant and anti-irritant property that creates a good environment for more hair to grow. So bamboo leaf is so good for hair growth, like it's just amazing for your hair. Bamboo also is a very special beneficial if you have a sensitive or a dry scalp. Use any product that have bamboo in there, or you can just make this hair grow oil with your bamboo leaf or bamboo um, powder anywhere you can find it, because it's so good. It's going to make your hair more manageable, shiny and softer and also stronger. It will be growing all year round. So onions is also a very good product for our hair. So guys, now I am done blending everything together. I'm just going to add my olive oil. So I'm going to be using olive oil today. So you can use any oil of your choice, but olive oil is one of my favorite oil. That is why I'm using it today. So onions is also good to promote our hair. It also prevents hair loss, and it also support a very good and strong hair grow, like thicker hair, like it have sulfur in it, which is so good for our hair. Sulfur also help to promote hair growth and also promote collagen, which also good for our hair growth, like promote everything, just promoting our hair growth. So now so guys, onions is so good for our hair. Like if you want to grow out your hair, you just have to try these two products, because bamboo is also rich in silicon is also good for our hair, so it strengthens our hair follicles and also promote hair growth. So these two, silicon and then sulfur, which is really what our hair needs to grow as for a healthy and also healthy hair and a healthy scalp. So now I am done cooking it or boiling it or steaming it. So now I'm just going to strain out my oil so that there will be no residue inside my oil. So guys, now this is how my oil is looking like. I just love that green color. That green color is so amazing because of the bamboo so that is inside. So now I'm just going to transfer it to my empty container for further use. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys a lot. If you are new here, you are also welcome. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I do appreciate you a lot. So guys, this is my DIY hair grow oil bamboo and onions. So this is so good for my hair. So now I'm just going to show you how I will be using this on my hair. So my hair is still on protective style. I just put this video not too long ago. So this is the video which I miss grease and lotion together. So this is how my hair is now after 1 week, guys. This is how my hair is just looking like now, still moisturized and still shiny. So I'm just going to take it down because I'll be using that that oil as hot oil treatment. So you can use it anyhow you want to use it. So this is, I'm just going to use as a hot oil treatment for my hair now. So first of all, I'm going to first take down this twist, so then I will just show you how I will be using it on my hair. So my hair still feel really soft with that product that I post on my YouTube. If you have not seen it, I will leave it at the description box below so you can go and check it out. So I'm first of all going to spray my hair with water. Then I'll just pour the water into my hair. This is warm water, guys, because the weather is cold, so I'm using warm water. Anytime that I use water on my hair, just know that it's warm water that I'm using, not hot water or warm water. So now it's time for me to use the oil. So guys, this oil is so powerful. If you have bamboo in your compound, or you can just get the bamboo powder, just make this oil. You are going to really love it. You are going to enjoy it, guys. Your hair is going to grow in less than a month. You are going to see a lot of growth on your hair. So I'm just going to work it into my hair now and also put it on my scalp, just to massage it with on my scalp and also on my hair. So when you put it on your hair and on your scalp, just make sure that you massage it in. That is going to help to stimulate your hair growth. So when you put it on your your hair, just make sure that you work it into your hair very well, so that it can help to strengthen your hair follicles very well. So I'm just going to just do that, then I will just twist this part out of the way, then I will just move to the next one. So guys, now I'm just going to do the rest of camera. So I am done. This is how my hair is looking like now. This is how soft and really good this product is. It can really keep your hair shiny, manageable, and also grow stronger. So now I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag to kind of deep condition my hair with this hot oil treatment that I did. So I'm just going to cover my hair now. Then I will just leave it on my hair for some days before I will wash it out. So if you don't want to cover your hair with any plastic bag, you can just put it on your hair like that and leave it. So I just want to use it as a deep conditioner to trap the heat into my hair that will encourage blood flow and also stimulate my scalp with it. So that's why I am covering my hair with a plastic cap. So guys, this is the remaining of the oil. I did not really use too much, but I still have a lot left, so I can easily get bamboo leaf if anytime I want to make another one. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you all so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.